You're watching WCBI's News at 6 with Joey Barnes.
Welcome back, everyone. It's tax season again, and this year many people have a new challenge when it comes to filing a return. From unemployment to stimulus checks to working from home, local accountants want to make sure their clients are on the right track. Our Desmond Matthews has a look at what you need to know as you file this year.
It's that time of year again as people plan to file their 2020 taxes. But this year it will be a little different, and local accountants are aware of that.
The pandemic is definitely a hardship to many, and when it comes to tax season, it's also a hardship because a lot of people have been out of work.
L.J. Brooks is the manager of ABS Tax in Macon. He says there are some things people should know when filing this year.
Individuals that did get unemployment, they must file it on their taxes. They will receive a 1099-G, which is unemployment compensation. Stimulus money will have to be filed as well. It is government money. It has to be filed and serve as a credit on your tax return.
Here at ABS Tax in Macon, Brooks and his staff are eager to work with those who are preparing to file their taxes and want people to know that they just don't have to file for this past year.
We're still excited and ready to serve and ready to help people get the max of their refund. Individuals have the opportunity to file their wages from 2019 on their 2020 taxes. That is a plus for a lot of Americans who did not make as much money as they made on last year.
Columbus accountant Brenda Martin has some tips on how people should go about reporting for this past year.
If you're going out running errands in your car, just for you to, from working from home, you can write that mileage down and take those deductions. But it got to be for the business. It can't be your personal stuff.
And as for stimulus and unemployment money,
you have to be correct. The IRS go over everybody's tax return with a fine-tooth comb. So it's best not to try to fool them or add extra stuff that you can't prove.
Brooks and Martin encourage people to be transparent about what they spent and what they owe. In North Mississippi, Desmond Matthews, WCBI News.
The deadline to file your taxes is, of course, April 15th.